So now we're gonna suck the oil. Hey, it's MotoGod. Welcome back with another video, and you can see my motorcycle is absolutely shining all the way. By the way, I changed both the tires, rims and spokes, and I just changed the engine oil as well. I changed the oil. I don't know previous owner what they used, but I used Motul 20W40 engine oil, 650 ml, and after a great water wash, the motorcycle looks like this, almost like a brand new. And by the way, I also added the fork boots, so now there is more protection for the oil seals. And the only thing that I have to change was the side stand. You can see I heard that CD100SS stand is direct fit for this motorcycle, and after using that side stand you don't need to use extra stone to balance your motorcycle. So yeah, I'm gonna change that too. So after so many days I'm making a motor vlog, and this video is very important for all the two-strokers, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if we talk about tires, the tires that I went for is C8 tires. I know a lot of people suggested me go for Michelin, and also I also suggested a lot of people for Michelin and MRFs, but somehow I like C8 for the long lasting tires, and the grip is decent, not so good, not so bad, it's okay. If you have good braking skills, then you can manage it. And the reason I changed the tires, rims, spokes, and you can observe it at the starting I only changed the painting, and then I changed handlebar, then I changed the tires, rims. We are using 2T oil pump. So basically I'm restoring everything one by one. So the only thing that left was the side stand. Other than that, my motorcycle chain sprocket also changed. So this video is very important for all of the two-strokers, because as you know, the engine oil won't go into the crankcase like the 4 strokes. In a 2-stroke, the engine oil won't go into crankcase, so that there is no lubrication in the crank for the piston. So that's why we are using 2T oil, and that's why most of the two-strokers face a lot of issues with the bore, piston and connecting rod and the crank bearings. So if you hear a lot of unwanted sounds from your crankcase, or your connecting rod sound, or your piston or your piston rings, so this video is for you. So a lot of people are facing issue with the piston rings. Mainly unwanted noise comes from your crankcase, bore, piston and connecting rod. So if you hear a lot of sound, then make sure to use a lot of 2T oil. I mean, if you hear sound, if you're using currently 40 ml, then use 45 to 50 ml, so that the bearings, the piston and the rings, everything will get lubricated. If you heard more unwanted noise, then you can use extra 2T oil to recover from that, or else you just want a permanent solution as of now, then this video is for you. So for that you have to go for a open place, because we're gonna smoke up the motorcycle. I'll show you how we're gonna do that. So this is a spot where I always come to if I have to tune the carburetor, or if I have to change the exhaust, if I have to do anything with the sound, I'll definitely come here, because it's kind of open place. No one stays beside this. This is a small lake, so that no one will get disturbed, and we can also do our work peacefully. So that's why you can see me in all these videos coming here. So I'm gonna stop my motorcycle here, and I'm gonna explain you in a clear way. So now I came here. This is abandoned place. No one will come here, so we're gonna smoke it up. I'll show you what we're gonna do in this video. So first of all, we have to open the toolbox. For that, I'll show you something. There is something for you. Not the 2T oil. Sorry. So where is injection? Yeah. So this is Dr. MotoGod. Sorry. Let me put the 2T oil packet inside. So this is castor oil. I hope you guys can see it. So basically we're gonna use this in our motorcycle to reduce the sound from the crank, piston, rings, anything from the engine. We're gonna use it. I already used it, so that's why you can see there is only a little bit left in this bottle. This is 80 ml that costed me around 75 rupees. It's kind of pricey, but it's really worth. I have used it and I have seen the result. It's absolutely good. I recommend you guys have to try this. So now I demonstrate how to do this. So this is the Tutti oil pipe, right? So you have to remove this carefully. Yeah, you have to remove this and you have to keep it aside. And now we're gonna fill so now I'll show you. Wait a second. And seriously guys, I have used it and I have impressed with the results. So now we're gonna suck the oil. Yeah. So this, oh my god. So this syringe cost you around 4 to 5 rupees. And this castor oil will cost you around 75 rupees. So get one and try it. So now we'll start the motorcycle. So my friend is gonna, yeah, hold the camera. So we're gonna, oh my god, please do it again. He's doing with his hand. Come on, do it. Do it. Come on, do it. So now we removed the Tutti oil pipe. So just keep the syringe near to the carburetor and it will suck. Show it from the side. And it is sucking from the side. You can see it, right? And you can see the smoke coming out from the silencer. And again we're gonna take another, how much? It's 5 ml, right? So, and I recommend feed 80 ml after one by one. You can feed it 5 ml, 5 ml, 5 ml like that. You can fill it. And so if you're using this, so basically what does this oil do? If you search in Google also, it will show you castor oil is very good for lubrication in the cold as well in the high temperature. So if you use this, it will lubricate the crank bearings, the connecting rod bearing and the gudgeon pin bearing, also known as wrist pin bearing, and it will also lubricate the piston and its rings. So maybe your spark plug may foul, but just open it and clean it and put it back again. You're done. Your sound is gonna reduce. And I used it already and I'm seeing good results, so that's why I want to share a video with you guys. So we'll continue the process again. So just show it from this side. Yes. So this is, I'm not pushing this rod. I'm not pushing this. I'm just keeping it. Where's the you can see the smoke. And we're gonna do it again. And now you can put it back. Make sure you don't have any air bubbles here. You can see the Tutti oil also coming from this pipe. So now you have to put it back. So we feed it 80 ml of castor oil for this motorcycle. So now the castor oil will segregate into bearings and everything, so that this motorcycle is absolutely fully lubricated. So after using it, you won't see the results immediately, but it will take some time. So just ride it normally like 10 to 20 kilometers after using this castor oil, and you will see the smoothness out of your motorcycle. So Make sure to use good quality castor oil. So this is all about castor oil and a syringe. Do the job for you, and do it very carefully. And by the way, do it in an open place like this, because we're gonna rev it. It's gonna sound a lot, and also it's gonna emit a lot of smoke. So make sure to you come into open place and do this job. And yeah, that's it. And you guys can ask me where can I get this castor oil. You can find it in the kirana stores, local stores. You can get it, but it's quite expensive. It's 75 bucks, dude. The 75 rupees, how much fuel you'll get?
More than half liter.
More than half liter, but you can only get 80 ml. 80 ml? Yeah, 80 ml in this can. Yeah, it's definitely worth. Try it, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, and do follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description on the screen right now. See you. Peace.